My name is Dan. In this masterclass, you will learn how to start and scale Agile and Scrum, even if you don't have any experience at all. We will describe the complete process of Agile and Scrum, differences between those two, Scrum roles and responsibilities, Scrum events, artifacts, and the three pillars of empiricism. Everything. Then, I will explain what is the product vision, product roadmap, product strategy, and provide you with the ready-made templates so you can start building them today. You will understand teams, epics, user stories, and tasks in Scrum. And I will show you the definition of ready, definition of done, and acceptance criteria and how to conduct them. And then I will introduce you to the Scrum Certification and how to pass your Scrum Certification from the first attempt. And this is not all, we are just getting started. Let's say that you get your first job as a product owner. I will show you where to start building an existing product and where to start if you're going to build a new product from scratch. Do you know how difficult it can be to transition from Waterfall to Agile and Scrum? Believe me, it's not an easy process, and I have a separate module just for this. Another module is dedicated to the Scrum and Agile testing, which is super important also. And finally, we'll see Scrum in real life. I will introduce you to the Scrum team members and their day-to-day job activities. I will also show you tips to succeed with Agile and Scrum, and some free software you can use for daily Scrum activities. There will be plenty of bonuses included as well. Because there is a gap between where you are now and where you want to be. So this masterclass is your step to success because it is going to easily allow you to fill that gaps. This masterclass is different. Not better, but different from hundreds, if not thousands of online courses. They might be very similar to what you are thinking of doing. But one thing that makes this masterclass unique experience is all things that I've been missing from my personal career development as a Scrum Master and a product owner. And that is why I fill these gaps for me and make them available to you. So this is your chance to be successful in Agile and Scrum by taking advantage of this masterclass. Now please check the masterclass content because it will be updated continuously. Don't waste your time. Enroll in the Agile and Scrum Masterclass today. I will see you there.